Hello, and welcome to Cornerstone Communication. Today, we are going to learn important business English vocabulary. These words are commonly used in offices, meetings, companies, and professional conversations. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Let's begin. Business vocabulary. Company. Company. Entreprise. A successful company. This company is growing fast. Employee. Employee. Employé. Salarié. A hard-working employee. The employee arrived on time. Manager. Manager. Gestionnaire. Responsable. An experienced manager. The manager leads the team. Meeting. Meeting. Réunion. An important meeting. We have a meeting this afternoon. Project. Project. Projet. A new project. The project starts next week. Client. 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 A loyal client. The client is happy with our service. Customer. Customer. Client. Consommateur. A satisfied customer. The customer bought our product. Office. Office. Bureau. A modern office. She works in an office. Team. Team. Équipe. A strong team. Our team achieved its goal. Budget. 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 Prévision financière. A company budget. The budget was approved yesterday. Profit. Profit. Bénéfice. Gain. A high profit. The business made a good profit. Sales. Sales. Vente. Monthly sales. Sales increased this month. Marketing. 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 Promotion commercial. A marketing campaign. The marketing campaign was successful. Contract. 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 Contrat. A business contract. He signed a new contract. Salary. 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 Salaire. A monthly salary. She receives her salary every month. Deadline. Deadline. Date limite. A project deadline. The deadline is tomorrow. Presentation. 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 Exposé. A business presentation. She gave an excellent presentation. Investment. Investment. Investissement. A smart investment. The investment generated profits. Negotiation. Negotiation. Négociation. A business negotiation. The negotiation lasted 2 hours. Leadership. Leadership. Capacité à diriger. Leadership. Strong leadership. Good leadership inspires employees. Strategy. Strategy. Stratégie. A business strategy. The company adopted a new strategy. Revenue. Revenue. Chiffre d'affaires. Revenu. Annual revenue. The company's revenue increased. Partnership. Partnership. Partenariat. A strategic partnership. The partnership benefited both companies. Promotion. Promotion. Promotion professionnelle. A job promotion. He received a promotion last month. Interview. Interview. Entretien d'embauche. A job interview. She prepared well for the interview. Productivity. Productivity. Productivité. High productivity. Productivity improved this year. Success. Success. Succès. Business success. Hard work leads to success. Goal. Goal. Objectif. A business goal. Our goal is to increase sales. Growth. Growth. Croissance. The company experienced rapid growth. Company growth is essential for long-term success. Market. Market. Marché. A competitive market. The company operates in a global market. Brand. Brand. Marque. A famous brand. This brand is known worldwide. Product. Product. Produit. A new product. The company launched a new product. Service. 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 A quality service. Customers appreciate good service. Invoice. Invoice. Facture. A detailed invoice. The invoice was sent by email. Payment. Payment. Paiement. A secure payment. The payment was received yesterday. Expense. Expense. Dépense. Frais. Business expenses. The company reduced its expenses. Cost. Cost. Coût. The production cost. The cost of materials increased. Loan. Loan. Prêt. A business loan. The company applied for a loan. Bank. Bank. Banque. A commercial bank. The company opened a bank account. 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 Compte. A business account. She manages the company's account. Finance. 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 Corporate finance. He works in the finance department. Risk. Risk. Risque. A financial risk. Every investment involves some risk. Opportunity. Opportunity. Opportunité. A great opportunity. This project is a great opportunity. Competition. Competition. Concurrence. Strong competition. Competition is increasing in the industry. 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 Industrie. Secteur d'activité. The technology industry. She works in the banking industry. Department. Department. Département. Service. The marketing department. He works in the sales department. Supervisor. Supervisor. Superviseur. An experienced supervisor. The supervisor reviewed the report. 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 Rapport. A business report. The manager read the report carefully. Schedule. Schedule. Emploi du temps. Calendrier. A busy schedule. My schedule is full this week. Training. Training. Formation. Employee training. The company provides regular training. Recruitment. Recruitment. Recrutement. A recruitment process. The recruitment process takes time. Career. Career. Carrière. A successful career. She is building a successful career. Vacancy. Vacancy. Poste vacant. A job vacancy. The company has several vacancies.